PTC Creo Piping and Cabling Extension, or PCX, enables designers to create routed systems quickly and easily. These systems can be designed directly in the 3D environment or intelligently driven by a 2D schematic. In this example, we're going to design the wiring and piping systems for a rocket. Starting with a 2D schematic, designers can quickly review wiring routes and connections to avoid errors. If a new wire is needed, this can be easily added in the 2D environment by simply selecting from a library of standards and creating the connection. This dedicated environment in PCX can improve design documentation and ensure design integrity is maintained throughout the process. This 2D environment also supports the export of wiring, cabling, and piping diagrams in standard formats such as XML and integrates with PTC Windchill. The cabling subassembly can now be opened in the 3D environment. The new wire, added in the 2D schematic, is ready to be routed. In this case, PCX automatically identifies an error, a missing connector, and prompts the user to fix the problem. Once resolved, the user automatically returns to the routing action they were executing when the problem was detected, ensuring a smooth flow to the design process. In PCX, cables can be routed using different options, from simple route to options which provide much greater levels of control. And rerouting cables is easily accomplished through quick access to the commands. In this design, 3 cables are routed to follow an existing cable route, ensuring a clean design. And PTC Creo reinforces this with constant visual feedback, ensuring the engineer's design intent is achieved. Reroute can also be used to fix interferences with surrounding geometry by simply selecting the cable and adding a location to avoid. Creating manufacturing information for the cabling is quick and easy. The 3D cabling loom is automatically flattened and the individual components can be displayed. Finally, the harness can be automatically output as a drawing, including a bill of materials, significantly shortening the product development cycle for products that include cabling. As with all aspects of PTC Creo Parametric, any changes to the 3D design are automatically reflected in the 2D drawing documentation. Undertaking piping design with PCX is very similar to cabling. The engineer is once again presented with a dedicated ribbon UI, this time for piping design. Similar to cabling, routing pipes is a quick and easy task. As before, by simply selecting the start point and referencing an existing pipe, the new pipe is quickly modeled. As with cabling, any changes are automatically reflected in the manufacturing drawings. In this case, the piping assembly, bill of materials, and individual pipe drawings. With PTC Creo Piping and Cabling Extension, engineers can quickly and easily create routed systems designs using either a 3D modeling or 2D schematic-driven approach.